in tight and maintain race pace. Come on, here we go. Dave Morrison likes it. Punch it, chicken, time to go. Cameron, they're gonna eat you alive, boys. And they did. But when we say punch it, chicken, we mean punch it. All the chickens have to go at the same time. Throws the 8 count off. Jimmy on the top side. Kevin working the bottom. Kevin leading as they go into 3 as they come out of 4. Looks like they're gonna maintain that position. All the way to the crash wall. You better shut the door or the Gray goes. Tom Gray gonna get up underneath. Now, he did right there as they went into 1. They stayed door handle to door handle. Tom Gray trying to pull out there. Ooh, we got a little bit of a push in the middle of 3 and 4. Lambert gonna try to get by him again. Gray shut the door on a possible slide job there. The old school slide job. That was not fast time set by the 8X, just in case anybody was wondering, but it's consistent. I'll tell you that. That's pretty solid. That's what you want to hit when you don't have a lot of laps. Just don't wreck it, keep your times good. Speaking of good times, Kevin McKinney having a good time out there up front in a